So when it's f of g of x, that means the g function goes inside the f function. So the way that looks is you write the f function. You got 4x plus, 4x minus 9, right? Then the g function is what's going to go inside the f function 4x. So now when I rewrite it, you've got 4 times. Now the expression for g is what is now x in the f function. X plus 4 over 9, and then minus 9. Now I just need to simplify that. So the first thing I would do is distribute the 4. So now you've got 4x plus 16, 4x plus 16 over 9, minus 9. I think then the next thing I would write is, well, in order to combine those, you need a fraction over 9. So we're going to multiply by 9 and do the common denominator. So now you've got 4x plus 16 minus 81 all over 9. Now, just 16 minus 81, you get negative 65. So you have 4x minus 65 all over 9. All right, so I'm not sure. It's probably not going to let me enter it like that. So I'm assuming you're going to split up a 9. So I think you're going to write it as 4/9 or 4x over 9 minus 65 over 9. And then simplify the fractions as far as they go, but that is as far as they go. So let's type that in and see what happens. All right, so I'm going to type it in as 4x over 9 minus, and then 65/9. All right, let's see if that works. Okay, so it did work. I'm not sure if we had tried to write it as 4x minus 65 over 9. Maybe that should, in theory, that should work as well, but I was just trying to guess as to how they wanted it. All right, now we're going to do the same thing for g of x. I'm sorry, g of f of x. So that is just going to be the reverse, right? So instead of the g function going inside the f function for f of g of x, this is the f function going inside the g function. So in this case, that is getting substituted in x there, right? So when I go to write it, it's going to be 4x minus 9 plus 4 all over 9. So that ends up being 4x minus 5 over 9. So I'm going to write it the same way. So I think it'd be 4x over 9, then minus 5/9. All right, so let's type that in. Not sure why I can't get this to open up. All right, so 4x 9 minus 5 over 9. Let's check our answer. All right, now the last question is just, are they inverses of each other? The only way they would be is if your answer to both was x, right? Since they're not, then they're not. So they're not inverses. Okay. Let me know if you have other questions.